Hello there, and welcome to ADSOTECH webinar with Tuomas Silvennoinen. And I was so inspired on the way work on a bus stop that I needed to share it with you. And how actually bus stop is related to SAP access control and authorizations. Well, I'll show you now. So this is what I saw. The plan to go to the bus stop is over here, but many people, like this couple here, is actually using shortcut over here. So what kind of planning is this that they have planned the road over here, but people are using this? Well, the actual reason to have it over here for this bus stop is that some handicapped people and those people who cannot move so well could also go to the stop. But for many people, they've decided that, hey, I don't need this. I can build my own roads. And so they are giving a quite good feedback on what they do. And this is what they actually do. And when it comes to SAP, actually, it's quite hard to track the real behavior of your users in a system. You can only see what's been planned, and when people are not happy or they're doing something else, they just ask for more access rights. But like I said, every person on the bus stop who is behaving like this, they are not taking shortcut. That they want to go the longer road. So in SAP terms, actually, when there's only one plan profile, there's actually two profiles based on the real behavior. And of course, it's the expansion software that can give you this insight how to actually find these people or roles that are behaving like they do. So let's go a bit deeper on Expandion and how it can help you. Expandion is an ADSOTECH partner from Israel, and they have about 50 people focused on GRC and access control on behavioral basis. So let's get back to the picture. Expandion creates profile for each user. And it monitors if this behavior changes and constantly updates what actually if the profile is changing. More importantly, you can build behavioral based roles for different business roles. For example, sales, different accounting tasks, and so on. So you don't really need to go to your employees and ask what kind of authorization you need, what kind of job are you doing. You can put recording mode on and create profiles like that. Let's look it from the different perspective. This is from the bus stop, and this is the shortcut you saw, and this is the planned version. So there's also from this point of view, there's a lot of shortcutting here, and everything is being stamped. So in city's point of view, this all is a cost. And when it comes to authorizations, you might have observed same kind of cost that comes from maintaining complexity and fixing the roles all the time. So Expandion, of course, can help you here also. And you can apply the concept that if there's extra activities or roles in a profile that the user don't routinely use, you can remove those, because you know for sure they don't use those roles. Also, if you have unused roles in your system, you can lock them. And it can also go inside the roles. If you have actively used roles, but you see that, okay, there's unused authorizations here, you can remove those unused authorizations. And all this makes your problem smaller. You have less choices, less complexity, and you need less resources to maintain it. You need less resources to keep you compliant. Couple of words about Expandion. It's not just behavioral things we are doing here. It has all, let me call them, standard functionalities of GRC software, like it identifies SOD violations by roles and users. You can simulate if you create a conflict when you give a new role to your user. It alerts if somebody creates a violation role or profile that allows the violation. And of course, you can share all the information and decisions with the key stakeholders to your company. I'll give you one more example, and I think this is the very strong part of Expandion. It's authorization related processes. For example, we have great authorization review process where we can actually again use the real behavior of your employees. So in a review, you can see what roles have been actually used, and you can also make decisions based on that. Of course, we have also standard workflows like emergency access, firefighter, how you want to call it. Final point about Expandion, that it's very light in architecture. You can even use it from cloud or from a single server outside SAP in your environment. If you need behavioral information for single projects, we can actually provide that you from the cloud for limited amount of time. Let me give you a little recap. Expandion learns from user activities. It defines behavioral-based profiles. It inspects deviations from your regular behavior and from your rule set. And it has very easy to implement workflows for authorization-related processes. Thank you for watching this, and I need to give special thanks to Juhani, who tweeted about this bus stop, and Helsingin Sanomat, who published and discussed about the matter. So it wasn't only my eyes that captured this. I actually got inspired from this. And also, I want to thank Expandion, who also have a great blog. And you should do as I have done. Subscribe it if you want to read about insights in this space. Thank you. I have my contact information down there if you want to know more about this Expandion. And also, if you know who your account manager at ADSOTECH is, you can also contact him or her. And if you're watching this from other parts of the world, please, other than Scandinavia, for example, US, please check the Expandion home site and blog. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.